want to show you how you can get rid of Ubuntu and get rid of the Grub menu and restore the Windows bootloader. So here is the Grub menu. You can see that I've got Ubuntu loaded. It's dual booted alongside Windows 7. So I've decided now that I want to get rid of Ubuntu. So I'll show you now how to do it safely. So first boot into Windows 7. So here we are at the Windows 7 desktop. What we're going to use is a program called Minitool Partition Wizard. It's a free tool and it's an excellent tool. Where did I put it? There it is. Just search Google for it, you'll find it. You'll probably get it from Softpedia or something. Now here it shows you the partitions on my C drive. That there's my Windows partition. That there is my Ubuntu partition with the Linux swap partition. I'm basically going to get rid of these two partitions. So in this tool, all you do is right click, delete, right click, delete, and then we're going to expand our main Windows partition so it will take up the rest of that space. So to do that you say move resize and then you drag the slider across and say OK, and that there is what the hard drive is going to look like when it's finished. So to apply the changes, you just say apply, say yes, and it takes a couple of seconds, and that's it. Ubuntu is gone, completely gone from the hard drive, and I've got all my C drive back for Windows 7. But if I was to reboot the computer now, it wouldn't load back into Windows 7 because there's no bootloader. If you remember, when you install Ubuntu, it replaces the Windows bootloader with the Grub menu, and now the Grub menu's gone. So now the computer wouldn't boot back into Windows 7. So what we have to do is you just click on this area here to select the hard drive, and then over on the left you just hit rebuild MBR and then apply and yes, and that's it. The MBR is rebuilt, so we'll now successfully be able to boot into Windows again. I'll just demonstrate it for you booting up. There you go. No Grub menu. Straight into Windows. and the Minitool Partition Wizard, it works for any Linux. If you've installed any Linux, whether it's Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, anything, if you've installed another operating system alongside Windows 7, this is a good way to get rid of it and to safely get rid of it. I'll just log in. Sorry if the video is a bit shaky, but I'm recording this on my mobile phone. I'll just show you where you get the Partition Wizard from. There you go, it's top of the list. Minitool Partition Wizard. And you can get it there from cnet.com. I actually used to have Windows XP dual booted next to my Windows 7, and it worked flawlessly for that as well. When I decided to get rid of XP, I just did the same process. Delete the partitions and then rebuild the MBR. There you go. Freeware. Perfect. Thanks for watching.